Drones are absolutely mind-blowing. Just a few years ago, having this kind of technology felt like a sci-fi movie. Fast forward to today, thanks to companies like DJI, Autel and others, those seemingly impossible dreams are now a reality. It's time to take flight with these incredible 4K cameras, offering an adventure with extended flight time, top-notch video resolution, and a bunch of features designed for people who dream of capturing awesome aerial photos or just having a great time in the sky. The sky isn't a limit anymore. It's an open invitation to capture breathtaking moments and have a blast doing it. In this guide, we've handpicked the best drones on the market to elevate your flying experience, whether you're a content creator or just a drone enthusiast. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. 5. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 stands out for its diminutive and lightweight construction, making it an ideal choice for those seeking portability. Additionally, it maintains a competitive pricing structure, ensuring affordability for potential buyers. The drone's camera performance is remarkable, capturing high-quality visuals. Furthermore, its user-friendly interface facilitates ease of operation during flights. However, as with any product, there are cons that warrant consideration. The lightweight build, while contributing to portability, renders the drone less suitable for operation in windy conditions. Additionally, the absence of obstacle avoidance sensors is a notable drawback, potentially limiting the drone's ability to navigate complex environments seamlessly. Delving into the technical specifications of the DJI Mini 3, its camera features a 1.3 inches CMOS sensor with a resolution of 12 megapixels. Video recording capabilities include 4K resolution at varying frame rates, specifically 24, 25, and 30 frames per second. The drone's flight time is rated at an impressive 38 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery, extending to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Notably, the transmission distance is specified as 10 kilometers. Included in the standard kit is the DJI RCN1 controller, but lacks an integrated screen, requiring users to utilize their smartphones for display purposes. An alternative option is the DJI RC controller, incorporating a built-in display at an additional cost of $140. For those seeking a more comprehensive package, the Fly More combo option is available, encompassing 2 extra 38-minute intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, a shoulder bag, spare propellers, and various supplementary accessories. 4. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is the best mid-range drone. It introduces an array of features that make it an enthusiast-level device with prosumer capabilities. This drone is characterized by its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors and dual cameras, contributing to an exceptional standard of camera quality and an impressive flight time. Among its notable advantages, the DJI Air 3 stands out for its comprehensive obstacle avoidance system, ensuring enhanced safety during flight with sensors strategically positioned in all directions. The inclusion of dual cameras facilitates exceptional image capture. Furthermore, the drone's versatility is extended with a 1 to 3 times digital zoom on one camera and a 3 to 9 times digital zoom on the other, providing users with a broad range of framing options. However, it is essential to consider the drawbacks associated with the DJI Air 3. The drone's physical size is quite substantial, making it impractical for pocket storage and emphasizing the need for dedicated carrying solutions. Additionally, the premium features and capabilities of this mid-range drone come at a cost, as it is not within the budget-friendly category. Delving into the technical specification, video recording capabilities encompass 4K resolution at various frame rates, ranging from 24 to 100 frames per second. This versatile video capture capability ensures smooth and detailed footage in a variety of scenarios. For current owners of the DJI Air 2S seeking an upgrade, the Air 3 offers a familiar platform with the added benefit of a medium telephoto camera, providing the ability to get closer to subject. This feature enhances the overall user experience, making it an enticing option for those already familiar with the Air 2S. Conversely, for users transitioning from a DJI Mini drone, the Air 3 opens up a realm of creative possibilities in the sky, offering expanded capabilities for aerial exploration and photography. 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a small and lightweight yet formidable device, offering a host of features tailored to meet the demands of aspiring enthusiasts. This drone, falling within the sub-250 grams category, boasts a redesigned chassis, an upgraded camera, and the inclusion of omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensors, enhancements that distinguish it from its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro excels in its compact and lightweight design, ensuring portability that allows users to effortlessly slip it into a pocket. The drone's 4K camera is a standout feature, delivering excellent image quality and catering to the discerning needs of budding professionals in the field of aerial photography and videography. Despite its commendable feature, it is imperative to consider the drawbacks associated with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. One notable aspect is its relatively higher price compared to its predecessor, the Mini 3. Additionally, the optional inclusion of the DJI RC Smart Controller, while providing added convenience and functionality, contributes to an increased overall cost for potential buyers. Examining the technical specifications, the DJI Mini 4 Pro's camera boasts a 1:1.3 inches 24mm wide-angle lens, capable of recording videos at a maximum resolution of 4K and a maximum frame rate of 100 FPS. The drone's flight time is specified at 34 minutes, allowing users an extended duration for capturing aerial content. Moreover, the transmission distance reaches an impressive 20 kilometers, ensuring a robust connection between the drone and its controller over substantial distances. The significance of the sub-250 grams category is underscored, particularly in regions where it translates to reduced regulatory complexity. Notably, in territories like Europe, adherence to this weight category alleviates regulatory challenges, although its impact is less pronounced in places like the United States. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus Drone Premium Bundle. The Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus Drone Premium Bundle is a professional-grade aerial device meticulously designed to meet the demands of seasoned enthusiasts and industry professionals alike. The Evo Lite Plus boasts a multitude of advanced features that elevate its performance capabilities to unprecedented levels. Its sophisticated features include a three-way obstacle avoidance system, ensuring a comprehensive perception of obstructions in front of, behind, and below the drone. This advanced obstacle avoidance capability is a rarity in drones of this size, contributing to a heightened sense of safety during flight. Equipped with a 1-inch sensor and a 20MP camera featuring large 2.4 pixel, the Autel Lite Plus aircraft excels in capturing photos with a resolution of up to 5472 by 3648. Its video recording capabilities are equally impressive, supporting 6K video at 30 FPS or 4K video at 60 FPS. The drone's intelligent moonlight algorithm enables it to capture crisp and vibrant details even in low light conditions, making it an ideal choice for nocturnal flights with minimal noise at high ISO settings. The adjustable aperture, a shared characteristic with the Autel Evo 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Pro, allows users to flex their creativity by altering exposure and depth of field, showcasing their artistic style in imaginative ways. The foldable design of the Autel Lite Plus drone enhances its portability, providing users with a compact and travel-friendly device. The drone's photographic capabilities are further augmented by 4 automatic shooting modes, namely Flick, Rocket, Fadeaway, and Orbit, enabling users to effortlessly capture professional-level shots with a single touch. The Autel Sky app complements this by offering additional features such as soundtracks and filters, allowing users to enhance their videos and produce truly epic and unforgettable content. Noteworthy is the impressive flight time of the Evo Lite Plus, reaching up to 40 minutes, a 29% increase compared to the Air 2S. This extended battery life facilitates the capture of epic, fast-paced shots and ensures stability even when flying at high altitudes or in challenging wind conditions. The drone's resilience is further demonstrated by its ability to resist level 7 winds and maintain stability at a maximum altitude of 800 meters. The Evo Lite Plus Premium Bundle includes a comprehensive set of accessories, making it an all-encompassing solution for drone enthusiasts. The bundle comprises the Evo Lite Plus aircraft, gimbal cover, 5 pairs of propellers, 3 flight batteries, a 64GB SD card, a remote controller, a flight battery charger, a flight battery charging hub, ND filters, RC charging cable, and RC cables, Lightning, micro USB, USB-C, all conveniently housed in a shoulder bag. 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts a phenomenal camera system, with 3 cameras, including a 1:1.3 inches CMOS sensor with a 70mm equivalent lens and 3x optical zoom, as well as a 1-2 inches CMOS telecamera with a 166mm equivalent lens, 7x optical zoom, and an impressive 28 times hybrid zoom. This camera configuration allows for stunning photo capabilities at 48MP and 12MP, along with impressive 4K video recording at 60 FPS. The inclusion of the new D-Log M color mode enhances the camera's versatility, capturing up to 1 billion colors and excelling in challenging lighting conditions such as sunrises and sunsets. Flight performance is a defining feature of the Mavic 3 Pro, delivering stability even in high winds and an extended maximum flight time of 43 minutes. While real-world battery life may not always meet advertised claims, it still stands as a commendable feature, providing ample time for capturing aerial content. The drone's transmission distance reaches up to 15 kilometers, ensuring a robust connection between the device and the controller over considerable distances. However, it is crucial to acknowledge the drawbacks associated with the Mavic 3 Pro. The drone falls on the more expensive side. Additionally, its larger size renders it non-pocketable, emphasizing the need for dedicated carrying solution. To achieve the optimal user experience, the RC Pro controller is deemed a necessary accessory, adding to the overall cost of ownership. As DJI's flagship consumer drone, the Mavic 3 Pro is an imposing, versatile, and capable device. Its 3-camera system, extended flight time, and advanced features make it an ideal choice for users seeking top-tier performance and imaging capability. Whether navigating challenging conditions or capturing challenging scenes, the Mavic 3 Pro emerges as a reliable and powerful drone that excels in delivering exceptional results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.